Dive into the vibrant colors, exotic wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes of Nicaragua. Welcome to the land where two oceans meet, where the landscapes are as diverse as the culture that thrives within them. A place where the echoes of a rich history blend harmoniously with the energetic rhythm of today's life. This is Nicaragua, a gem tucked in the heart of Central America. Nicaragua is a country that wears its heart on its sleeve. Its essence lies in its vibrant culture, a beautiful tapestry woven with threads of indigenous traditions, Spanish influences, and contemporary vibes. It's a place where every street, every corner, and every face tells a story. Geographically, Nicaragua is blessed with a strategic location. Nestled between the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, it boasts of diverse landscapes that can take your breath away. From pristine beaches to majestic volcanoes, lush rainforests to tranquil lakes, Nicaragua has it all. Each region, each city, each town has its unique charm waiting to be discovered. In this video, we will take you on a virtual tour of this stunning country. We will journey through its top scenic spots, each one a spectacle in its own right. We'll explore the colonial city of Granada with its beautiful architecture and vibrant street life. We'll set foot on Ometepe Island, a place of natural beauty and serene tranquility. We'll feel the sand between our toes on the idyllic beaches of the Corn Islands. Each destination will offer a new perspective, a new experience, a new story. So, sit back, relax, and let your senses be captivated. Let the vibrant colors of Nicaragua paint a picture in your mind. Let the sounds of its bustling cities and tranquil countryside play a symphony in your ears. Let the scent of its flora fill your nostrils, and let the taste of its exotic cuisine tantalize your palate. Get ready to embark on a virtual tour of stunning Nicaragua. A journey of discovery, of adventure, of beauty. A journey that will leave you yearning for more. Step back in time with the colonial city of Granada. Nestled in the heart of Nicaragua, Granada is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. The city is a living museum showcasing the grandeur of Spanish colonial architecture in its purest form. As you meander through the city's narrow cobblestone streets, you'll feel the spirit of centuries past whispering in the wind. In the heart of Granada, the city's vibrant street markets come alive. Here the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of traditional Nicaraguan cuisine, the sound of lively music, and the chatter of locals and visitors alike. The markets are a feast for the senses, offering a kaleidoscope of colorful fruits, vegetables, and local handicrafts that are as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. Granada's architecture is a sight to behold. From the grand, mustard-colored facade of the San Francisco Church to the intricate details of the Guadalupe Church, the city offers a visual feast of colonial-era buildings. Each structure tells a story, a testament to the city's rich history and cultural heritage. But the crown jewel of Granada's architectural treasures is, without a doubt, the majestic Granada Cathedral. With its striking white towers reaching for the blue skies above, this cathedral is an iconic symbol of the city's enduring spirit. Just a stone's throw away from the city, the stunning Lake Nicaragua awaits. This vast expanse of water is a haven for nature lovers, offering breathtaking views and a serene escape from the city's bustling streets. It's the perfect spot to unwind, soak in the beauty of the surroundings, and reflect on the enchanting allure of Granada. The city's vibrant buildings, with their pastel hues and charming details, create a picturesque backdrop that adds a touch of magic to every corner of Granada. These colorful facades, combined with the cobblestone streets, create a canvas that's as captivating as a painter's masterpiece. From history to beauty, Granada is a city that never ceases to enchant. Its irresistible charm lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, tradition with modernity, and nature with architecture. It's a city that captures the heart and stirs the soul, leaving an indelible mark on all who are fortunate enough to experience its magic. Experience paradise on earth with Ometepe Island. Nestled in the heart of Lake Nicaragua, this island is a gem like no other. Imagine a place where time almost seems to stand still, where the lush greenery of the tropics meets the tranquil blue of the lake. Ometepe Island, with its verdant vegetation and diverse wildlife, is just that place. This island is not just known for its natural beauty. It is also home to two towering reminders of Mother Nature's power: the volcanoes Concepción and Madeiras. These twin peaks dominate the landscape, adding an element of majestic grandeur to the island's allure. Concepción, the taller of the two, stands tall and proud, while Madeiras, though dormant, is cloaked in a cloud forest, adding an air of mystery to its presence. But Ometepe Island is more than just its natural wonders. It is a place steeped in history and culture. Scattered across the island are numerous archaeological sites, each telling a tale of the island's rich past. From petroglyphs to statues, these remnants of a bygone era provide a fascinating insight into the lives of the island's early inhabitants. And let's not forget the island's tranquil beaches. The soft sand underfoot, the gentle lapping of the lake's waves, and the warm sun overhead create an idyllic setting perfect for unwinding. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a book lover looking for a quiet place to read, or simply someone seeking solace in nature, these beaches are a slice of heaven on earth. From its towering volcanoes to its tranquil beaches, from its lush vegetation to its fascinating archaeological sites, Ometepe Island has something for everyone. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature, delve into history, or simply sit back and enjoy the tranquility. It's an island that captivates, enchants, and invites you to explore its many wonders. Ometepe Island, a place where nature's beauty reigns supreme. Uncover the hidden gems of the Caribbean, the Corn Islands. Floating off the coast of Nicaragua, these twin isles, Big Corn and Little Corn, are a world away from the mainland hustle. Untouched by mass tourism, they offer an authentic Caribbean experience, where time seems to stand still. Imagine pristine beaches with powdery white sand, so soft it feels like walking on clouds. The beaches are fringed by swaying palm trees, adding to the postcard-perfect setting. The turquoise sea gently laps the shore, its crystal-clear waters revealing a vibrant underwater world. Beneath the surface, an array of colorful coral reefs beckon. Home to countless species of marine life, they are a diver's paradise. Snorkeling here is like immersing yourself in a living, breathing aquarium. The sea teems with schools of tropical fish, darting among the corals in a mesmerizing dance. Diving enthusiasts might also spot sea turtles, stingrays, and even nurse sharks, adding a thrill to the underwater exploration. Away from the beaches, the laid-back lifestyle of the Corn Islands is a welcome change of pace. The rhythm of life here is dictated by the sea and the sun. Locals are friendly and welcoming, their smiles as warm as the tropical sun. Islanders still engage in traditional activities like fishing and farming, keeping their culture alive. Of course, a visit to the Corn Islands wouldn't be complete without sampling the delicious seafood. Freshly caught lobsters, snappers, and conch are staples of the island cuisine. Savor these delicacies, grilled to perfection and seasoned with local herbs and spices. For the adventurous, the islands offer an array of water sports. From paddleboarding to kayaking, there's something for everyone. And as the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you can sit back and soak in the tranquil beauty of these islands. The Corn Islands, a Caribbean paradise waiting to be explored. Experience the unspoiled beauty, the rich marine life, the authentic island culture, and the mouth-watering seafood. It's time to set sail for the Corn Islands, where the Caribbean's best-kept secrets lie in wait. Nicaragua, a country where every corner holds a new surprise. As we've journeyed through this beautiful land together, we've discovered that it's not just about the places, but also about the stories they tell. From the colonial grandeur of Granada with its vibrant colors and rich history, we've seen a slice of the past that still lives on today. The city's charm lies not just in its stunning architecture, but also in the warmth of its people, who welcome visitors with open arms. We then set sail to the tranquil Ometepe Island, a place of striking natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of Lake Nicaragua, the island is a testament to the country's volcanic past. The twin volcanoes, Concepción and Madeiras, rise majestically, adding to the island's mystical allure. The island is a haven for those seeking peace and tranquility, far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. Our journey then took us to the Corn Islands, a tropical paradise off Nicaragua's Caribbean coast. With their crystal-clear waters and pristine beaches, the islands offer a perfect escape. The vibrant coral reefs teem with marine life, making it a snorkeler's paradise. But beyond the breathtaking landscapes, what makes Nicaragua truly special is its diversity. Each region offers a unique experience, a different story. It's a country that has something for everyone, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a beach bum. So, as we wrap up our Nicaraguan adventure, we invite you to join us as we continue to explore this wonderful world. Which part of the world would you like us to take you to next? Please share in the comments below. Your support helps us bring these beautiful places to you, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to continue exploring with us. We appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, keep adventuring.